Amazing uses of banana peel. Do you eat a lot of bananas? Don't throw away the peels just yet. Banana peels can be used in everyday chores and tasks. Contrary to popular belief, banana peels can also be eaten. They contain high levels of fiber and antioxidants that make a great addition to a healthy diet. Banana peels are chock-a-block with antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins, so they're a national cure for many an ailment and an aid for cell regeneration. These are just few of its most important uses in your home. Teeth whitening. You want white teeth? Well, you are in the right place. Banana peels can be extremely efficient and beneficial in whitening your teeth. All you have to do is grab a banana peel and rub it on your teeth every day for 5 minutes. You will notice amazing results just after 1 week of using this whitening method. Psoriasis. Banana peel is also extremely useful in treating psoriasis. It can cure psoriasis in just few days. Just rub the banana peel on the affected area. Repeat this process 2 times a day. Banana peel has the ability to moisturize your skin, relieve itchiness, and as we said, cure psoriasis in just few days. Helps with hemorrhoids. The peel from this tropical fruit is also extremely beneficial and useful in the case of hemorrhoids. All you have to do is rub the banana peel on the affected area for 5 minutes, 5 times a day. Headache. We all know that bananas are loaded with potassium, and it can help you heal the main cause of the pain. Just grab the banana peel and hold it across your forehead and the pain will go away. You can also put it across the back of your neck. You will get the same results, get rid of the pain. Acne. Banana peel is also very useful in treating acne. In order to reduce the inflammation and irritation, take a banana peel and rub it over the affected area. You should repeat this process every night before going to bed, until you get rid of the acne. Warts. This is another useful benefit of the banana peel. Banana peels can also help you eliminate those stubborn warts. Cut a piece of the banana peel and put it on the warts. You can secure it with a bandage and leave it overnight. Or you can rub the inner side of the peel on the affected area. Bruises. You can use banana peel to speed up the healing process of bruises. This is because of the regenerative and healing properties of banana peels. Natural polishing agent. They can be very useful for everyday tasks and for cleaning your home. Banana peels can be extremely useful for cleaning your furniture, kitchen utensils, polish your shoes, and you can even use them to clean off the dust and debris from the leaves of your houseplants. Bug bites. You can reduce itching from insect bites and calm the affected area on your skin. All you have to do is grab a banana peel and rub it over the bug bites. Rashes and itches. Banana peels are extremely useful and beneficial in relieving rashes and itches. Just rub the banana peel over the affected area 2 times a day. You need to repeat this method until it disappears. Well, there you have it, guys. These are the most important uses of banana peels in your home, and we really hope you can use some of them in your daily routines. If you enjoyed this post, make sure you share it with your friends and family. Thank you.